I know, you're not excited, Chelsea. I don't blame you. Go take the rain. I'll move you. I'll move you. But finally some rain. Yes!
I found a dry spot. That's over here. Hey, Mom. Can you zip this up, please?
Oh, we haven't had rain since our last snow. Yes.
Oh,
Yes, rain. Get some rain, little plants. Yes. That is a happy sound. I am so excited for the rain. It's been so long. I brought Chelsea over here where it's dry because she doesn't want to get wet. Huh, Chelsea? She doesn't want to get wet. But she's up here because I still need to milk her. But oh, I'm so excited to have rain. That is one of my favorite sounds. Yes. I'm very much going to milk my goat right at my front door because she doesn't want to get wet from all the rain, and I don't blame her. I'm so excited about the rain. We haven't had it for so long. But I also know she doesn't want to stand in it. I'll milk her and then take her down to the barn. But I can't do that on film because she's not a fan of all this thunder and lightning that I am. So, milking the goat at the porch and then taking her out back. I agree. I walked Chelsea down to the barn. I just put her in there after I finished milking her. I love that sound. And that way she won't get soaked. So I took her to the barn. She's just going to sleep in the barn. The hay's upstairs. And I don't think she'll wander upstairs. I think she'll just stay downstairs. Anyway, she could use to put on a little bit of weight even if she does, because I love that sound. Even if she does eat a bunch, the transition from being at a new place, she's just not eating like she normally does, so she could put a little bit on if she does, but that way she'll be dry, because hopefully it rains like this all night. That would be such a good thing. We haven't had rain since our last snowstorm, and yeah. It's mid-June, you know, so we usually get some rain, but monsoon season is our rainy season, and I would love for it to rain now. The garden will do so well. The earth will do well because nothing's growing because it's so dry. This rain is so welcomed, and I've just been sitting in it, and the kids have been running around having fun, and we're just like, oh yes, rain. It'll probably hail at some point, and that'll hurt, but at least right now it's still just rain. Oh, beautiful rain. brought these home for me today. And they were in one pot and I combined them or separated them because they were combined because I just can't resist. I have to separate them, but I'm so excited because these are elephant ears. They're just babies. This leaf got ripped, which is really sad. But it will grow new ones that will be beautiful. But I just can't wait. And since it started raining, I thought, oh, it'll be beautiful to bring them outside. I just planted them and then they can get rained on. Rain here kind of comes and goes a lot, but since it's our first real storm that we've had since the snow, I think we're probably going to get hopefully a good amount of rain, which is not a good amount of rain for anyone else because we only get about 12 inches a year, so we're not going to get like a huge crazy storm, which I would love. But oh, I'm so excited. So excited. They're going to be so pretty. I love the sound of rain. The thunder and just the pitter-paddle of little drops. I love rain. Rain is magical. My husband hooked this up from the house. Can you hear it? It's filling. Yay! I had a really nice rainwater collection at our old place, so I'm really excited. I'm so excited to have. We only have this one hooked up. We have our big barrels and things, but they're not hooked up yet. Oh yes, some rainwater. Houseplants do so well rainwater, and so does the garden. So at some point in the future, hopefully before monsoon season comes hard, we can have our rainwater collection set up again so that we can actually get the rainwater for the garden and houseplants. But yes, yay.